Have you ever heard of Japanese cowboy?
Showed on map there.
Is there anybody here who have never used a transceiver before? Totally fine if you haven't. We'll talk a bit more. What these do is they send a signal. That way if someone's trying to find you, they can search and receive that signal.
Miso soup and a nice hot coffee at the top of the Alpine. Not so bad for Tuesday. I don't even know if today's Tuesday, actually.
Big shout out to Mike Wiegele's Ikon Pass. An incredible day out on the snow. We got many laps. I can't even count them.
Dude, I'm stoked. I can't wait for tomorrow. I want to snowboard more, but we had to leave. Après time.
It's been good. It's amazing. Sunny, sunshine, hot pow. That's nuts. There was fire. So sick. So many good laps. We got sun too. It was awesome. That was so fun.
I got it! Dude, that would be a sick photo of me tomahawking, no beanie on, just snow flying. Photo of the day should be a slam.